Hi, I'm Scott with Marc's Mobility. Today we're going to be unboxing the Journey Air Elite, so stay tuned. When you get your Air Elite, it's going to be shipped in a box like this, covered in wrap with some straps, most likely shipped through either UPS or FedEx, one of those companies. So first we're going to cut this plastic wrap away with a knife. Just be careful to not cut into your box. Next, we're going to cut these straps up top. Remember to cut upwards and not down into the box. And finally, we're going to lift the lid up. There's 3 staples in here, so do watch out. We do have to lift this lid. You can kind of pull the staples with it. Just like that. Just watch your fingers on these. Up top here we have a piece of foam. And then this is what the inside looks like. Here's your unit all folded up. Now the Air Elite is a very lightweight power chair. It weighs about 26 pounds. I believe 29 with a battery in it. So if you can lift it straight up, go ahead and do that. It's not very heavy. If you have to, you can fold this box on its side and then slide it out. But this is a pretty light chair, so I believe I can lift it. There it is. And then inside the box is our cushion. And then that's it for inside the box. So I'm going to take a moment to clean up some of the plastic wrap and then we'll get to unboxing the chair. So here is the chair. We've got this little box here. This is going to be your charger. I'm going to set that to the side. And then right here is your footrests. And I'll turn it for you. This thing is made of carbon fiber. Back here is your joystick. It's going to be in this box. But first, I'm going to just unfold this. Just like that. Very easy. Next is the back. You have these 2 handles back here. All you do is bring them up and they click. So now your backrest is in. Now I'm going to grab the joystick, take it out of this box. This also has your owner's manual right here. You can put the joystick on the right or left hand side. If you go left handed, we'll just move this knob over here. But I'm going to go on the right hand side and it just slides in and we'll tighten it. So our joystick is installed. There is little plastic clips that look like this. You can use to clip your cable. There's also a little back pouch if you want to keep your owner's manual in there. This is our cushion. It's got some Velcro on it. It matches the Velcro that is on a seat, as you can see here. And now this section right here is going to go up front. Then it just curls under. And that's how it attaches. So now our seat's on, our back is on. Now we're going to put the legs on. So here's your legs. They look like this. They can only go on one direction. And they go inside here. These little points jutting out. There's little rubber caps on them you want to take off. And then there's actually these plastic pins. And they have like a little metal bolt going through it. That's what's going to secure these in. Like I said, these can only go one way, so like that would be wrong. So we're going to go in on this side. The holes line up and you put the pin through. Same with the other side. These are designed to be easily removable if you do want to take them out for transferring or folding it down. There we go. I believe your battery is already hooked up. This is your battery. There's There's a little on-off switch here on the side. And I'm going to check the power. There we go, make sure the battery's on. If you hear that beeping sound, that means that you are in neutral or one of these neutral levers is engaged. The neutral levers are on the back of the unit right here. You have these red levers. You want to make sure both of them are up in the lock position. And you want to be able to not be able to push this chair without these wheels spinning. See how they're not spinning? That's good. This is the drive position. I'll turn this back on. And now it's not beeping and I can drive the unit. It will beep when you back up. There's a way to disable that. I'll show you real quick. To disable the reverse beep, you want to hold the horn button and then the speed lower button. There we go. And now, backing up will not trigger the reverse alarm. If you want the reverse alarm back on again, you'll hold down the horn and the speed faster button. Now it's engaged again. Once again, this has been the unboxing and assembly of the Journey Air Elite. If you like this product or you have any questions, you want to order one of these, please give us a call, and thank you for watching.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.